Did you know 38% of visitors leave a website if a design is unattractive? What if I told you choosing the wrong approach could cost you customers? Hello GyaanSaar family, welcome back to our channel where we simplify complex tech topics for you. I am Rima and today we are diving into a crucial discussion for anyone looking to establish an online presence. Should you opt for a website builders or go to a custom development route? Building a website is more accessible than ever in 2025 thanks to a plethora of tools and technologies, but choosing the right approach can be daunting. Let's break it down together. What we will cover today: understanding website builders, understanding custom development, pros and cons of each approach, key factors to consider, making the right choice for you. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of which path aligns best with your goals and resources. So let's get started. First up, let's talk about website builders. Website builders are a platform that allows you to create a website using predefined templates and drag and drop interfaces. They require minimal technical skills and are ideal for quickly launching a site. According to recent reviews, platforms like Wix, Squarespace, WooCommerce, and Shopify continue to lead the market in 2025, offering a range of features tailored to different needs. Explore the advantages of using website builders. Ease of use. Website builders offers user-friendly interfaces allowing you to design your site without any coding knowledge. Quick setup. With pre-designed templates, you can have a website up and running in a matter of hours and days. Cost effective. Many website builders offers affordable plans, making them accessible for small businesses and individuals. Maintenance free. The platform handles update and security, so you don't have to worry about technical upkeep. However, there are some limitations to consider. Limited customization. While templates are convenient, they can restrict your ability to implement unique features or design. Scalability issues. As your website grows, you might find it challenging to add advanced functionalities. Performance constraints. Website builders may not offer the same level of performance optimization as custom-built sites. Now, let's dive into custom development. Custom development involves building a website from scratches or using frameworks, offering complete control over design and functionality. This approach is typically handled by professional developers. With custom development, you get complete freedom to design your website exactly how you want. Here is why custom development can be a great choice. Full control. You can design a unique website that truly represents your brand. Scalability. Your website can grow and evolve your business expands. Better performance and SEO. Custom site load faster, better rank on search engines, and provide a smoother user experience. But there are some drawbacks to consider. Higher cost. Custom websites require more money to build and maintain. Takes more time. Unlike website builders, a custom site can take weeks or months to complete. Ongoing maintenance. You will need to handle updates, securities, and troubleshooting, which might require technical skills. Not sure which approach is best for you? Here are some key factors to think about. Budget. If you are on a tight budget, website builders are more affordable option. Technical skills. Website builders are beginner friendly while custom site need coding expertise. Project size. Simple site work better with builders while complex projects need custom development. Time available. Need a website fast, builder are quicker. Custom site take longer but offers more flexibility. Future plans. If you expect to grow and scale, custom development might be better long-term choice. Both website builder and custom development have their pros and cons. Choose the one that fits your need, budget, and goal. Still have question? Comment down your queries and I will guide you in the right direction. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech insights. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.